What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. There are 3 kinds of pain you must be able to endure if you want to have any kind of longevity in combat sports, whether it's boxing, MMA, it doesn't matter. We all bear the same cross. And when people first start training, they envision the good parts, being the #1 fighter, winning the belts, winning the money, getting all the fame, and they overlook that little blood, sweat, and tears part that comes with the territory, and is what, in my opinion, weeds out 99% of people that attempt combat sports competitively. So #1, the ability to endure pain from training. If you're not used to training on this level, it's going to be painful. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. We train every single day. It really is no days off in combat sports. We train every single day, whether it's the running, the floor work, you know, the PT stuff, all that stuff adds up, okay? So you got to get used to the pain from training, and it becomes a new way of life, okay? #2, the pain from damage and physical injury. In the ring, you're going to get hurt. I don't care who you are. You're going to make mistakes in the beginning. That's how you learn on the job, you know, is by pain makes the brain smarter. You get in the ring with somebody better than you. You make a mistake. They capitalize on it. You know, it's an occupational hazard. So you're going to get, you know, I'm not saying everyone's going to get this stuff, but, you know, you can break a rib. You could break your eye socket, your nose, your tooth. I mean, it's kind of brutal. And think about a car crash happening on your face and your body on a regular basis. So that's why, you know, you gotta make sure that you're under the right tutelage, of course, because some people will throw you, you know, in harm's way. But, you know, with the right coach, and provided you're physically durable enough and you get past that, then you're in the top of the food chain, okay? And the third thing that over time wears people out, I think, even the guys that have the physical durability down, is the spiritual durability. Because a lot of guys are really good fighters, a lot of guys are really tough, but they get robbed or they don't get opportunities, and it just beats them down spiritually, and they just get tired of waiting for their turn, or they get tired of getting robbed, and they spiritually just get discouraged and feel like they're just not going to get that opportunity to make it big, you know what I mean, and separate themselves from the rest of the regular fighters. So those are the 3 kinds of pain that just come with the territory. And if you can't deal with it, join the club. Millions and millions of other people have disappeared into obscurity because of that. But if you're one of those few 1% guys, that's 1% in the sport. Forget about the world population. Very few people in the world can endure this. But if you're one of those few anomalies and people that could deal with this, then maybe we'll remember your name too. So anyway, that's just my personal take on it. You tell me what you think in the comment section. I'd love to hear your stories about, you know, what your biggest obstacles were in the sport of boxing, and maybe what made it too hard for you to continue, you know, and don't feel bad about it, man, because most people don't make it too big. But anyway, that's my personal thoughts on it. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online courses out now for you beginners. Link is in the description. Till the next time, we up out of here. Out.